We all love listening to music, right? I mean, you could listen to it at home, or let's say that you're at the work. Or how about while you're out and running? In overall, we're feeling good with music. How about if you could get paid to listen to music? Well, you can. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $200 or even more by simply listening to music. Worldwide, totally free to get started with. To find out all of the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here in today's video on how you can make $200 or even more by simply listening to music. Now first a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip any part of the video, you might not get any results at all. So it is very important for you to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information so you can get started to make money listening to music. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. It is related to make money online, internet marketing tips and a lot more. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make some money by simply listening to music. Let's go. Okay guys, so first off we are going to a site which is welocalize.com, but I'm going to share with you the link because you're not going to find the opportunity here on the main site. So what I did is I actually went to Google and I typed welocalize get paid to listen to music. And here is the cool thing that probably a lot of people don't know. And I'm going to share it with you, so stick with me here, because the first one could be something that you might have seen earlier, okay? And this is how it looks when you come to this site, which is /snap-sign-up/ here. I'm going to leave the link so you can see it right here. And you can see that you can get paid for listening to your favorite music. So basically how it works is that you're going to help this company transcribe lyrics to your favorite music. And I'm going to show you how you can do this super easy. You'll get paid on a per song basis here. Alright, so you can see here that it says that watch the video above, then register to transcribe song lyrics, sign up below. You're going to receive an invitation to transcribe and download the app. And then of course you're going to start the transcribing and you'll be paid per song. Look at this, you can earn $4 per song. But hang on, I'm going to show you another link here that you can earn more. So this is super cool. But first we do need to have a look at the details here, okay? So you obviously need a Gmail account. If you don't have one, I mean, it's super easy. I'm not going to go into details here on how you can create a Gmail account. And of course you do need an Apple ID or iCloud account. So you can do that for free too. You just go to iCloud.com, fill in all the details and you are ready to go. Here you need to fill in, of course, if you are on Apple or Windows. You select a country here. You can see tons of countries, worldwide opportunities. And if you speak English at a native-like level. So it's super important to fill in the details. And after you have registered here, you can see that you're going to receive an email, of course, on how to download the transcription app and how you get paid, and additional trainings instructions. So what I did here is look at this. So this is the first one, all right? Now look at the second one, which is talent.welocalize.com/snap-hip hop. So this is super cool because if I open it up here, it says that you can make $4 per song transcribing rap and hip hop song lyrics. But look at this. Download the app for macOS, connect to iTunes, earn $4 for each song you complete. Average $16 to $20 per hour, my friends. So this is super cool, okay? You can work from anywhere at any time here, listen to your favorite music and transcribe song lyrics. And as I said, I'm going to show you how you can do this super easy. Now you can see here you stopped with hip hop and rap, you add other genres you love, select all languages you speak, Gmail address, of course, as we saw earlier here. And look at this, you start transcribing lyrics and you earn $4 per song or even more, as you could see here. So you get paid weekly. This is super cool. So just fill in the details here, okay? Now, the cool thing is that how do you actually transcribe? Well, let me show you a trick here on how you can do that. So if I just go to YouTube, and I'm going to show you here on my channel, but you can do this super easy. And if it isn't available, all you have to do is actually upload the video on your YouTube channel, and you can see here that you can get the transcription. So if I just open up the latest video I have here, okay, so I open up the video and you see these three dots here, okay, look at this, open transcript, okay, so it's going to open the transcript for me, and there you go. All right, so you can see here, you can actually toggle the timestamps if you want to, but we need probably to have the timestamps, and now all I have to do is just copy it here. Okay, so you have your lyrics there and you can easily edit this. Okay, so I mean, all you have to do is just go to Google Docs. Okay, you can see here Google Docs. Let me just open it up for you here. Okay, go to Google Docs. Let's go for a blank document. And all I have to do is just paste it in here. Okay. So that is how it works, and now you can edit if there are some errors or not here, and you are ready to go with a transcription there. Now there is actually another solution, and basically what you can do with Google Docs here, this is super cool also, because you can go to the tool section and you see here voice typing. And you can click here to speak, but you can actually put the microphone pretty near the speakers there while you listen to the song. And I mean, if I just hit the record button here and look at this, do you see that it transcribes everything that I'm saying right now on this video? So that is how easy you can actually transcribe your songs. And of course, you're going to edit them if needed also. Okay, did you see how cool this is also? So I mean, you have two solutions here to do this very, very easy. So the first one, as I said, you obviously need to upload the video there, and it will probably have it transcribed for you. If not, you can do the second option here, as I did with this one here. So this is a super cool strategy. As I said, go to Google actually to type "We Localized Get Paid to Listen to Music," and you're going to find both these opportunities here, okay? So you can get started with the first one. If it is not possible, right now you can see here it says at the moment they're only hiring for French and German transcribers. So if it is not available, just move on to the next one. Now I'm going to give you another opportunity. This is also worldwide if you are not able to do this at the moment when I'm recording the video here, or when you watch the video. So I want to give you another opportunity here also. You can go to a site which is current.us, and you can see here, I want to earn rewards while I'm running. Look at this, play music to earn up to $600 per year, okay? So you earn more points the more you play here, and basically let me just open it up for you here in Google Play, Let's scroll down a little bit here. There are, of course, you can have a look at the FAQ section if you want to have a look at the details. But in my opinion, it's pretty straightforward, okay? You can see here you earn cash, yes, real cash awards, and you get paid money and gift cards. So you can see here you get current free music and app. You earn you earn money by listening to music. Everyone loves earning cash and money rewards here. Okay, so this is so cool, guys. I mean, just download the app, get started with it. You have nothing to lose. All you have to do is earn up to $600 per year with this app. So there you have it. We localize, and of course current.us. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.